All right, everybody. Well, I am here because actually I'm right in the Jurassic Park game because it's the quietest place here. I'm with my kids, but I was grading papers and I noticed that some of you guys are having a little bit of a difficult time with your thesis statement. Also, I noticed some errors, little small errors that can make a world of a difference when it comes to writing your actual paper. Now, first, your thesis statement. Remember to keep it simple. Thesis statement is 1 to 2 sentences on what your paper is going to be about. Not your intro paragraph, but this is a thesis statement. So it's typically towards the end of your first paragraph. And that's literally what your paper is going to be about. So your first sentence or two should be able to capture the reader's attention. Which unfortunately your reader is me, and I am a little bit ADD, so capture my attention, my friends. Be creative with your first sentences, and then your second 2 sentences should be your thesis. Okay, little hints on your paper. Small things matter, not just to me, but to your other professors as well. So watch your APA formatting, your numbers. Really pay attention to how you're writing your numbers. Sometimes you don't put 20 for 20, sometimes you do. So you have to know when to use numbers versus when to actually spell them out. Second thing, always use headings. The new APA 7th edition actually in their template, they put headings in the actual template now. That's highly recommended. I will mandate it because it's so important, especially outside of academics, to use headings. So get in those good habits. Lastly is your reference page. On your reference page, use hanging indents. That means not the first line, but the second and third and all the subsequent lines should be indented 1 indent, so 1 tab. If you haven't seen my little video I made a long time ago on fixing your reference page, please see that one. I am trying to push out some more content. Unfortunately, we have the Super Bowl coming up, and that's going to take me away from video creation, and I'm going to be super busy with that, hence the beard. I have to change my looks a little bit depending on what I'm doing. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a great time. If you have any questions, feel free to call me or email me. Or text me. If it's urgent, text. If it's not so urgent, just email. I'll get back to you. I'm just a little bit slower because of these Super Bowl operations. Now, once again, take your time. Have fun with them. Don't worry about making mistakes. That's why I'm here. I'm going to grade your papers and wiggle some things around so you can get the proper direction on where you need to go. Once again, don't worry about making a mistake as long as you are trying. All right, take care, everyone, and have fun and be safe. Don't do anything stupid between now and the Super Bowl, or I'll catch you. All right, I'll see you guys. Bye.